Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America mobile banking, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Bank of America mobile banking app installed on your device. If you haven't done so, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, locate the app on your device and tap to open it. You will be greeted by the login screen. If you already have an online banking account, enter your user ID. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you haven't set up an online banking account yet, tap on Enroll. Follow the prompts to create your account by providing your personal information. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, tap on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your credentials. After entering your user ID and password, tap the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, a verification code may be sent to your registered phone number. Enter that code when prompted to proceed with the login. Once logged in, you can access your account dashboard. From here, you can view your account balance, recent transactions, and more. If you experience any issues logging in, check your internet connection and try again. For further assistance, you can contact Bank of America customer support. Your mobile banking experience should now be set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.